So, should you buy these Amazon wheel alignment plates? Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tilo, and today I'm going to be going over these Amazon wheel toe alignment tools or plates. Got these off of Amazon and use them to align my vehicle. Let's get into it. I'm going to be going over these Amazon wheel toe alignment plates used to align a vehicle, as the name implies. They're made out of some thick steel, so they are magnetic, and they come powder coated in black. And I've seen others that are orange, and the paint is holding up. I've used them once. There's some marring on the inside here, and there's no visible metal. Now, these plates come with 4 holes for your wheel bolts or your wheel studs, and they also come with these hanging hooks at the end. Including in the kit are 2 measuring tapes so you can get your measurements. And basically how they work is one end goes into the hook here, better, like that. And then on the other side, the measuring tape will just lock onto that lip. We'll just go into the video. It's not a detailed how-to, but you'll see how to mount them. I had to use spacers on it because the plate would hit up on the brake caliper. So I used some spacers and longer bolts to secure it in place. And let's get on with the video. Alright, so for these alignment plates, you need spacers. Probably on most cars maybe, because the brake caliper is in the way. So what I did is I got these big nuts. Got it! To act as spacers. And also I had to get longer bolts because the stock ones are too short. With those spacers, here's the gap between the plate and the caliper. Alright, here's a sped up time lapse of me setting up the measuring tape, and then also me adjusting the toe via the tie rod.
Alright, so I've been making some minor adjustments, trying to get it as straight as possible. The distance between the wheels seems to be almost on point. It's 166 centimeters on each side.
Almost done here, but yeah, these plates, you do need spacers for certain vehicles. Measuring tape, they're kind of flimsy. The lock on them doesn't really hold them. You can still, this with the lock down, it still moves. But for what it's worth, it's not a bad deal. I'm just trying to get this car driving straight, because before the alignment was all jacked up and the steering wheel will be pointing one way, but the car will be going the other way. So.
And lovely cicadas still making their fucking noise out here.
Alright, so final thoughts on these wheel toe alignment plates. These are from a manufacturer called Riga, but they're unavailable. But there's plenty of other plates that look exactly like these from other companies. So I'll put the links in the description for those. They're worth it for a DIYer, for enthusiasts. They're just trying to get the car ready to go and driving straight. So I do recommend them. Like I said, the links will be in the description for other plates that are similar to these. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And if you found any value in this video, please like, comment, and if you haven't, subscribe. That way you can see what other things I review off of Amazon. So thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.
In the next video, I will be installing an aftermarket grill on the S4.